Hi, my name is Job Garcia. I'm 3 times world champion and I'm racing for Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team. Well, last year we changed from the 350 to the new 250 because it was a new model too. Quite a big change, not only from the engine side, also the frame and the whole bike was different. To be at 250 is a good one because it's so powerful and I have a lot of fun riding the 250. I'm having fun. I'm feeling when you are in the mountains, sometimes you have really nice landscapes, you feel free. It's nice to have this combination in this sport because you are racing, but also you are seeing really nice places. Well, last year starts the year quite good. With the new bike, then we were able to put the bike on the top step of the Enduro GP podium. The race after, we put the bike on the top again in Sweden, and second day, bad luck, or I don't know how to say it, but had a crash and had quite a big injury. Mentally, when the things goes perfect, it's easy, but when the things goes in a bad way, you need to work a lot in the mental side there to keep the motivation. And when I was on the floor, I was like, I knew that I had the collarbone broken, but this is, I know with a plate and it's a fast solution. But with my dislocated elbow, I was like, when I went to the hospital, I was with crossed fingers. Luckily, was only a clean dislocated. Then yeah, my goal was only race the race after, you know, because I had only 3 weeks. It was a really tough 3 weeks. But then we have the summer break that it works so good to be healthy again, to train, and I was able to put the bike on the top for the last 4 races. So yeah, the end of the season was a dream end of season. Well, last year we achieved one of our goals, be a Enduro 1 World Champion. It was a special one because the year was not easy, but with the bike and with the team we worked so hard. I enjoyed a lot riding the new KTM, so I had a lot of fun too. I mean, the level now is so high. If you are healthy, you have luck. So then you can play in all the races. Because the last 2 years, I missed 1-2 days of racing. That means some zeros. My goal for this season, for sure, is fight for both titles, Enduro GP and Enduro 1 title, and I'm working hard for that. I'm ready to race the 2024 Enduro GP season.